Have you ever wondered why someone who once cared about you suddenly becomes distant? They stop replying, they stop calling, they stop asking how you are doing. Slowly, you begin asking yourself, did I do something wrong? Did I change? Or did they? The truth is, people rarely lose interest for just one reason. Sometimes it's psychology, sometimes it's human nature, and sometimes we unknowingly push people away without realizing it today. Well, explore the hidden psychology behind why people lose interest and how understanding these patterns can completely change the way you build relationship. Let's begin. Imagine walking into a store. One product says unlimited stock, another says only 3 left. Which one catches your attention? Most people immediately notice the rare one. Psychologists call this the scarcity effect. The human brain naturally values things that seem limited. This does not only happen with products, it also happens in relationships. When someone is always available, always saying yes, always waiting, their presence can slowly become expected, not appreciated. Healthy relationships need space because absence often reminds people of your value. Imagine meeting someone who tells you everything about themselves in the first hour, every secret, every problem, every dream. At first, it feels interesting, but soon there is nothing left to discover. Now, imagine someone who shares slowly, who lets trust grow, who allows conversation to unfold naturally. Which person would you remember longer? Human curiosity needs mystery, not dishonesty, not games, simply room for discovery. Some of the strongest connection grow slowly, not instantly. Everyone enjoy compliments, everyone likes appreciation, but there is a difference between kindness and constant validation. Imagine someone asking, do you still like me? Are you sure? Are you upset? Again and again and again. Over time, the other person being feeling pressure because relationship need trust, not constant reassurance. Confidence in attractive because it creates peace. Insecurity when left unchecked create an emotional exhaustion. The healthiest relationships are built on trust, no fear. Years from now, most people won't remember every word you said, but they'll remember how they felt when they were with you. Did they feel respected? Did they feel understood? Did they feel safe? Or did every conversation become an argument? Human memory is deeply connected to emotions. That's why the strongest relationships are rarely built on perfect words. They are built on consistent feelings. People stay where they feel peace. One of the biggest mistakes people make is chasing attention. The more you chase, the more desperate you appear. Real confidence does not beg, it does not force, it does not convince. It simply shows up with honesty. Sometimes walking away peacefully say more than 1,000 messages, because your value should never depend on someone else's attention. If someone loses interest, don't immediately blame yourself. People change, lives change, priorities change. Not every ending means you failed. The people who truly belong will appreciate your honesty, your respect, and your presence. Focus less on making everyone stay and more on becoming someone who values themselves, because the right people never need to be chased. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Quantum Nest and turn on notifications, because every week we explore psychology, human behavior, and the hidden secrets of the human mind. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep growing, and I'll see you in next video.